All right, let's go ahead and work on this computer over here, get it ready for our next video, our build. All right, when I'm here, I might as well get on Facebook, see what other stuff I can find. Wait a minute. Oh, crap. All right, quick tip. So, you just built your new computer, just got a new laptop that was redone by somebody from the Facebook Marketplace. You boot it up, everything's running great. And you run into this. Great. Guess that deal was too good to be true, or you just didn't have enough money in your budget to get yourself a legit copy of Windows. Whatever the case, it's not the end of the world. You do have a few options that you can do. First option I'm going to talk about is when you buy these old computers. I bought this one, Facebook Marketplace. This is going to be a separate video on its own. But one thing I did like about this one is it does come with a legit, you can see it right there without seeing my serial number, it comes with a legit copy of Windows 7 key. So now I have a legit copy of Windows because I have that key. Well, I have a different purpose for this one. I'm not going to put Windows 10 on it. But with these Windows 7 keys, you can actually use them to update your computer to Windows 10. You can install Windows 10 and put the key in there, and you're good to go. So I'm going to show you real quick how to do it. Very simple. So first thing you want to do, type activation in your search. Great. You can go down to over here, change product key. Then what you're going to do is you're going to type in all those numbers. So, all right, so now after you put your activation key in, it's going to read it, press activate, let it go through its thing. Just give it a few minutes. All right, after it went through that, just takes a few minutes. Copy of Windows 10 is now activated. Great. So as you can see over here, the great thing about these old computers, yes, it's old, it's outdated. I paid maybe $40 for it, for a mouse, keyboard, monitor, and everything, but I have another purpose for it. But the other thing I did get is a legit copy of Windows now. By taking the Windows 7 activation key, putting it into my Windows 10, I was able to activate it. I purchased this computer, I am the owner, so now this is my legit key. So you can take an old computer like this and repurpose it, whether you're just gonna use it for parts, use it for a media server, Linux, NAS, whatever you decide to do, you can actually get some use out of it. So now I have a Windows activation key. A copy of Windows costs maybe, I don't know, $40 to $80, maybe even more. Well, $40 for this whole computer. It's got a hard drive, it's got memory I can use, CD-ROM, and I can repurpose it or even reflip it for another computer use. And not only that, I got a Windows activation key to use for my Windows. So now my Windows 10 is legit. So quick, easy tip.